Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the FURWOO Round Swivel Stool with wheels. Perfect for spa, salon, or massage use. This stool features a comfortable PU leather seat measuring 13 inches in diameter and 2.4 inches thick. It supports up to 300 pounds and offers height adjustment from 17.1 to 23.2 inches for personalized comfort. The new compact plastic base adds durability while saving space in any room. Enjoy smooth 360-degree swivel motion and waterproof materials for easy cleaning. Assembly is quick and simple, with wheels clipping into the base in just 10 minutes. Whether for home, office, or professional use, this versatile stool enhances your workspace effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.